Hi, this is our project BioGuard.AI, made for the purpose of protecting your wellness with the power of AI. This project contains 6 healthcare modules built using Python. The first one is MedGuard, which allows you to enter the medicine name and not only gives you the relevant alternatives but also other possible Ayurvedic reliefs the patient can use. The next module is PredictGuard. This module lets you enter the symptoms the patient is suffering and returns the predicted disease and the possible solution which patient can go through for overcoming it. The next module is MindGuard, which works on the mental health of the patient and asks a series of questions to the user and based on the inputs, returns the status of mental health and the solution, if the mental health of the patient needs to be taken care of. The next module is FitGuard, which takes height and weight as inputs from the user along with some prior health issues, returning the BMI index and the category, and also recommends a fitness and diet plan for the user. The next module is RescueGuard, which can be used in emergency situations. The user needs to input the type of emergency and his current location. The module then generates the information of the nearby hospitals along with the time it will requires to reach there and also the phone numbers of the nearby ambulance services. The last module is FundGuard, which gives quick loan information in case of emergencies like rejected insurance claim. The user needs to input the hospital name and the possible services get displayed like private money lenders, banks, along with the owners of that hospital and quick credit card services. This is the development team behind this project. You can also contact us by filling out this contact form. Thanks for watching.